Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna do a little test, a little foundation test. So I did use this foundation on my other videos and I've used it a couple more times off camera, but this is the video where I'm talking about the foundation, and if you've been watching my other videos, you probably can figure out which foundation it is. Oh, and I got my eye makeup going on because my phone interrupting me. I do apologize. Like I was saying, I do have eye makeup on because I'm doing a video about this eye makeup. It's a little special video because, well, if you're curious why the video is so special, I'll put a link in the iCard if I remember to, or definitely at the end of this video, so check it out. And yeah, anyways, this video right here is about testing out foundation, and it is me testing out the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. It's their Dewy foundation. Alright, so that's what it looks like. We all know Wet n Wild is super affordable. I got this at I picked it up at Walmart, and yeah, so let's try it out. It's not my first time trying it out, like I said, so there's that. So let's talk about the packaging first. It is glass, and the top is a plastic top. On the back, it has a little bit of information. It's has a little bunny logo and the vegan logo, cruelty-free, vegan, dewy. It tells us it hydrates and soothes complexion for a luminous finish, buildable coverage for normal to dry skin. Oh, and it says to shake well before use. So let's go ahead and do that. Give it a little shake. Alright. And if you've never seen this foundation before, well, here it is in all its glory. Let's open it up. And it has like a little plastic spatula. It's pretty cool. I like it. Some people don't use it. Some people just kind of like dip it out into a pan or on their back of their hand. But I don't share makeup with anyone. So just because I don't like sharing makeup, I think it's gross. So, I guess I should backtrack. It really depends on what makeup it is. I definitely don't want to share like lip products or like eyeliner or mascara. Stuff like that really freaks me out. I will like read horror stories, but yeah, just like, you know, going off topic. Okay, so as you guys can see, I am putting a little bit on all over my face. Just kind of dabbing it where I see that it's needed. Alright, so I'm gonna take my little Tati Beauty Blendiful. I've been obsessed with this, you guys. Like, at first I wasn't gonna buy this, but then I ended up getting it. And the one video that really convinced me to get this was Laura Lee's video. I don't know, just watching her video and watching her use this made me feel like I needed it, so I went ahead and purchased it. But this is a Tati Westbrook's product. If you don't have one, I do recommend getting it, just because, look, literally I'm already done with my foundation. It's like, it feels like you're wiping off your makeup, but you're really putting on makeup. And it feels so nice and soft. And don't worry about like going with the grain, going against the grain. That stuff does not matter. Of course, this is all just my own opinion and from my experience of using it. So you gotta remember that. Alright, so look at that. Alright, the foundation looks really nice. Now, it says it's dewy, and yeah, it has a little bit of dewiness to it. I will give you that. A lot of the times I do like kind of leaning towards a more dewy foundation just because my skin is more on the dry side. I mean, dry side. Literally dry side. So, we're gonna do that. Now, that was just technically just one layer of foundation. It tells us it is buildable, so let's see if that's true. I'm gonna go back in and see if it is buildable. So here is the first layer of foundation. It did a pretty nice job. I mean, it covered up a lot. You can still somewhat see, I mean, not somewhat, you really can still see my freckles. That's like the one thing I try covering up, just because honestly, I do not like my freckles. Okay, I wish they were gone, but you know, there's bigger things to worry about in life, right? So take this and add layer number 2 to our face, right on our forehead, down the nose, Look at that. Just cover up our flaws. Yes, baby. Close that up. And then go back in with my Blendiful. Such a cute name, Blendiful. Okay, so there is the second layer. It is, I can see it is buildable, that's for sure. It is definitely buildable. Do I like the color? I think I did a good job picking out the shade, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it does look a tad bit lighter than my normal shade, but it does work for me because after I put on some bronzer and then kind of like, you know, finish up my entire makeup, it does work for me. And I know that because, you know, it's not my first time trying it on. So, and it feels like, I mean, obviously I have makeup on, you just see me put on foundation. But the thing is, even with these 2 layers of foundation, to me, it doesn't feel like I have makeup on. It feels nice and light, and I am definitely liking it. People do say it has like a funky smell to it, and honestly, I mean, you smell something, but it really isn't too bad. I mean, my, you know, sensory system can be a little bit off, but you know, I really don't think it smells too bad. So yeah, so this is the Wet n Wild Dewy foundation test, I guess, or try on. Not really a try on because I've tried it before. Try on camera or review, whatever you want to call it. So I haven't thought of the title yet, but here it is, the Wet n Wild Dewy foundation photo focus. I do recommend it, and yeah, that's, I mean, what more could you ask for? Look how good my skin looks. It looks really nice. It's definitely not, it is a buildable coverage, but not like a full coverage because you can still see my freckles. And yeah, so that is pretty much it, you guys. Alright, if you like videos like this where I try out different random, I guess not really random, is foundation random? I have no idea, you guys. If you like videos like this where I try out different products, then let me know. Comment down below what other videos you want to see. And that is pretty much it, you guys. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, and of course subscribe. Click on that red button. Make it a gray button, you guys. That way you join the Kwak fam. If you want to see more content or different videos, go ahead and click on the notification bell. And that is pretty much it, you guys. Alright, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys. Alright, so this part of the video is for my true subscribers only, true supporters, true subscribers, people who really, you know, just enjoy and love watching my videos and want to interact with me. So here it is. I am doing a giveaway video. The video is already posted up. The link will be posted at the end of this video, so click on that link. It is also posted on the bottom of the description page, so scroll down and read the description. Watch the video because it has rules, what you need to do to enter the giveaway. I'm giving away some nice stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. So if you want to enter the giveaway, go ahead and do so by clicking the link down below or watch at the end and a little link pop out will show up to you guys. Alright, so thank you so much for all your support and I do really appreciate it. That's pretty much it, you guys. Alright, see you later. Bye.
We so fly.